Types of adverb clauses and the ways of their identification. Before going discussion, I would like to ask, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies the verb, the adjective, or another adverb in the sentence. The same way, we can define the definition of adverb clause. So, what is an adverb clause? Adverb clause is a clause which has a subject and a predicate. It therefore, or it may therefore modify the verb, the adjective, or the adverb in the main clause. So, what is an adverb clause? Adverb clause is a subordinate clause which modifies the meaning of a verb, the meaning of adverb, the meaning of adjective in the main clause. Don't keep anything in the fridge while they are hot. One sentence. He is taller than I thought. Second sentence. The fire spread so quickly I was not able to escape. Three sentences. First, we identify the adverb clauses. While they are hot. Don't keep anything in the fridge while they are hot. So, keeping in the fridge, action, and a hot state of a thing, it is stative verb, it is action verb. So, the hot, the stative verb are modifies the meaning of not to keep. So, first sentence, adverb clause modifies meaning of a verb in the main clause. Here the main clause is an imperative sentence. He is taller than I thought. Taller, adjective. I thought, what I think, the tallness, the tall, the height, the tall. So, then I thought, it modifies the meaning of adjective. The adverb clause modifies, second sentence, adjective. The fire spread so quickly. Quickly adverb. I was not able to escape. The meaning I was not able to escape modifies the adverb. From discussion, we knew adverb always modifies the meaning of verb, adjective, adverb. So, what is adverb clause? adverb clause is a subordinate clause which does the work of an adverb and it may therefore modify the meaning of a verb, adjective, adverb in the main clause. When an action happens, it takes time. Also, it takes a place or a surface to happen. And also due to some reason an action happen, and action also happen for due purpose. Also when an action happen, it keeps results. So the adverb clauses may be classified as the follows. May be classified as 4C plus 2P plus RT. This is a shortcut method way to remember the name of adverb clauses. The adverb clauses are classified by reason, purpose, condition, concession, place, time. We see what is 4C. One C stands for cause, another C stands for comparison, then condition, then concession. So here 4C stands for 4 factors: come, con. Very easy, very simple to remember it. Mind ka, come, con. Ka, come, con. Then come to 2P. One P stands for place, another P stands for purpose. Then come to R for result, T for time. Now we name our adverb clauses. First, the adverb clauses of cause, 1. Then adverb clauses of comparison, 3. Adverb clauses of condition, 4. Adverb clauses of concession or supposition for contrast. Then 5. Adverb clauses of place, adverb clauses of purpose, adverb clauses of result, adverb clauses of time. The adverb clauses of comparison. It may be 2 types. One is adverb clause of degree, another is adverb clause of manner. So these are the different names of adverb clauses. For our discussion, we discuss adverb clauses of cause or reason. The subordinating conjunction because, as seen, see that. The adverb clause of reason are introduced by subordinating conjunction such as because, as, since, that. The subordinate clause attached with because, attached with since or that is treated as adverb clauses of cause or reason. If we question why, the adverb clause of reason answers the question why. What is the answer of why? This is the adverb clause. The answer of the question why is adverb clause. So it is called adverb clause of cause or reason. I will do everything because why? Because I like you. Adverb clause. Since he is my brother, because he is my brother. Why he will help me? Because he is my brother. Come. Second, adverb clause of comparison. Adverb clause of comparison are two types. One is adverb clause of comparison of degree and comparison of manner. There are two types. Adverb clauses of comparison are two types. First is adverb clause of degree. Adverb clause of degree. The adverb clause of degree are introduced by than and as. The subordinating conjunction than and as. Example, he must work harder than I do. If I ask question, how much he work harder than I do, answer is the clause. So if I or the clause gives the answer of how much or in what degree or in what degree, the clause gives the answer of how much or in what extent or in what degree. This is the adverb clauses of degree. Then come to adverb clauses of manner. Both two types belongs to adverb clauses of comparison. So the subordinating conjunction is as. You may do as you like. If I question how, the answer is adverb clause. So it is called adverb clauses of manner. Or if I question what manner, the adverb clause gives the answer of the question how and what. Adverb clauses of condition. The adverb clauses of condition are introduced by the subordinating conjunction if, unless or whether. Example, if you come, I will help you. If you come, I will help you. This is the action. This will be the result. If it happens, it will happen. So coming output is helping. So if you don't come, I would not help. So it makes a condition, come and help, come and help. One, the helping is possible if he come, or if you come, the helping is possible. So it is conditional. Unless you work hard, unless means if not. If you don't work hard, you will fail. So hard working offer you pass. And if you don't work hard, you will not be offered with pass, so you will fail. This is the condition, the two verbs in a conditional relation. So it is called adverb clauses of condition. Adverb clauses of concession, supposition, which means it contrasts the main clause. It contrasts with the main clause. And the subordinating conjunctions are though, although, even if. So the subordinating conjunctions though, although, even though. The adverb clause of concession are introduced by such subordinating conjunction. Example, though I am poor, I am honest. The honest and poor contradict. And I am honest. A poor man can't be honest, it is our notion. So though I am poor, I am honest. The adverb clause of concession contrast with the meaning of a main clause. Contrast with I am honest. Even if it rains, I shall come. If it rains, nobody comes out. So it contrasts the meaning of a main clause. When one sentence contrasts with the meaning of a main clause, it is called adverb clauses of concession. Adverb clauses of place. The subordinating conjunction where, whereas. Where, wherever. Where, wherever. The adverb clause of place are introduced by the subordinating conjunction where and wherever. For example, I can move wherever I like. Wherever I like. Adverb clauses of place. Stand where they are. Then adverb clauses of purpose. The subordinating conjunctions are so that, in order that. Example, I will give you money so that you can buy the book. If I ask a question why, the subordinating or the adverb clause of purpose will be the answer. Or the adverb clause of purpose will give the answer of a question why, and also it will give the answer of the question for what purpose. If we ask question for what purpose or why, the clause will answer the question. These are called the adverb clauses of purpose. Next, there are two clauses to to be discussed. One is adverb clauses of a result. The adverb clauses of a result are introduced by the subordinating conjunction so or so dot dot that. Example: he maintains his character. Here is the action. So everybody likes him. Result: the subordinate clause gives the result. The main clause action, subordinate clause gives the result. I wagged main clause so slowly that I could not reach on time. This is the result of main clause. It is called adverb clauses of result. Then adverb clauses of time. The subordinating conjunction when, whenever, while, before, after. Example: I had slept before father came. So if you ask question when, the answer is the result. Before father came. Adverb clauses of time. When I came, nobody was here. This is adverb clauses of time. We finished all the adverb clauses. If you attentively watch the video, I hope you may learn something, and if these videos give you satisfaction, I hope you subscribe the channel. As a result, you will get the help. Every uploaded new videos you will get. Thanks.